These car seats like this, you can see. You can cut everything, but look at this. This is 2016 Nissan Rogue, and this car is in very good condition. This is available for sale. Inside, to make it more beautiful, I'm going to change the seat covers. So this is the current condition of car seats. I am going to change it. This NS YOLO car seat looks. Replace these with new ones. इस कार सीट का सो कार सीट कवर्स इंस्टॉलेशन मैनुअल so let's start it. So this is for the front seats and these are for the back seats. We will go inside. Okay. Like this, like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Wow. Well, these are the accessories that are inside this. Like in accessories we have these type of clips, right? We have these clips, hooks. I need to study this user manual, how actually the installation work. I'm not able to understand this one, so for this I will read the user manual. So what it says, Okay, we will do some tests like this. Look. Oh no, look at this. Strong. This is strong. It's not going to give you a cut so easily. But if you do with a sharp blade, there might be, obviously blade can cut everything, but look at this. Right? So this is automobile cushions, automobile custom design cushion. These are so beautiful, so nice. Let's protect the world. This is from the back, right? Awesome. So here is NS YOLO, the car seat covers. My honest review about this car seat cover is these are very strong, look very beautiful, reliable product. इसका जो लिंक है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है और इस पे जो है ना कोई कट भी इतनी जल्दी नहीं आने वाला, right? So what's your opinion about it? Thank you very much. See you in the next video.